How to turn off autoplay video in YouTube homepage. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll find all these different options. Scroll down in Settings and click on Playback. Click on Playback and then turn off autoplay next video in here. After you've done that, to autoplay off in homepage, go back and then at the top you'll find General. Click on General in here. After you click on General, click on Playback in Feeds. After you click on Playback in Feeds, you'll find three options. To turn it off, click on Off. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to turn off autoplay video in YouTube homepage. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.